Hey, it's Christa with artisticvegan.com and welcome back to another Artistic Vegan show in my kitchen and the Gravity Body Academy headquarters. Today we are making something inspired by my sister. My sister Janelle Sundby came to visit and she made dinner for my husband and me and it was delicious. She made a fantastic salad as well as pupusas, I think that's how you say it, and they are wonderful. I believe they're from El Salvador and they are based with corn flour and they often have beans and cheese, and we'll be making a vegan variety of those today, and she made them for us and it was so good. I thought, well, why not go ahead and do it for this channel and for everyone else so you guys can try it at home. So let's go ahead and get into how to make them.